Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You are welcome to Noble Meals Home. God bless you. Without wasting much of our time, we are going to cook jollof rice. Guys, stay tuned as we watch. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And may God bless you.
Noble meal, noble meal, a meal for the gays and queens. Noble meal.
In here you have your vegetable oil. You have your tin tomatoes. Here you have your salt and your Maggi. Here you have your onions. Here you have your fresh tomatoes. Here you have your fresh red pepper. Then you have your hot pepper. This is the process of grinding it. Everything has been added together. And put it on the pot. Just have to boil it to dry out the water. And this is how it is. The water has been dried out. Okay, now this is the meat. Every ingredient has been added. All kinds of ingredients to boil the meat have been added on this place, and now we're going to use it to cook the meat. So after cooking the meat, the water will be used for the jollof rice. Please watch, and as you watch, God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like and share. Thank you so much. God bless you. This is the process. Adding all the ingredients. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you all for watching. Please don't forget, share this to anyone you can. Let them know about Noble Meal. And as you do so, God bless you. I have to use my hands to turn them together so that the ingredient, the seasonings will go straight inside. And this is how it looks after I have used my hands to turn them very well. Now it is time for us to cook it. So that is it. Cover it. Here it is, cooked. And this is how it looked like when I have already fried it, as you can see. So it is time to cook the stew now. I have to use another pot to cook the stew first. And then the first thing I did there is to add your salt. After adding my salt, I put in the onions. I have to stir it very well. Allow the onions to dry a little bit, then add my tin tomatoes. Yeah, this is my tin tomatoes. Still have to stir it very well. Allow it to fry to the essence, to a particular point. Then I'll start. Now I will add this is my tomatoes, the fresh one, the one I have already parboiled to dry out the water. I mash them together, turn them very well. Very well. As you are turning it, as you can see, everything is coming out so beautiful. The aroma so nice. Now I add my curry. Yeah, just have to add that curry. Then I add my Maggi too. I add my Maggi. I just have two Maggi. Then I have to turn them together as well. Then the next thing, this is the spices for jollof rice. So I add it like that. Then I will turn them together. I add two of it. Then I will have to put some of the water and turn the stew first. Then allow it to cook for a period of time. Now I want to wash the rice. The first thing I do is to pour in salt and wash the rice with warm water. So I'm using a turning stick to turn the rice now. I washed it with a warm water. This is the process of washing it. After using my turning stick to turn it for a period of time, I have to wash it with my hands. This is how it looks after washing it. Then go back to the stew. The stew is half done right now, so it's time for us to put in another pot on fire, which is this, the bigger pot to use. Now I have to turn part of the stew inside the main pot that I want to use to cook the rice. Stir it very well. Then I have to pour in the rice. Yeah, after putting in the rice, you have to be doing it step by step and turn them. Then later I will pour the remaining rice after I must have turned this one to a certain level, or mix them together very well. Then add another rice and another stew as well. I turn them very well to make sure that it go around the whole pot and the rice is well covered with the stew that I have already made. As you can see, then the remaining meat water will be added to it as well, and also another water will be added as well. Then you leave it to cook for a period of time. Then you add some of the leaf I have used already to boil the meat. As they add it, as you can see it now, it's almost ready. I got to turn it together. I have to mix them very well. You have to be monitoring it step by step so that it will not be too cooked or done. Depends how you want it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. I really appreciate you all for watching. God bless you. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Also like our page, Noble Meal, on Facebook. We are also on Facebook page as well. Please do follow us. Now after must have turned it, then I have reduced the gas and I have to cover it with a nylon to cook with the heat. As you can see, I'm removing the nylon now after some times. Now it's to turn the rice. See how colorful it is. The aroma in this place is so yummy. So the rice is already done, so I have to put in my onions. I want to put in another onions to mix them, but first of all I have to put the onions and cover it again and want the heat to hit the onions. Then after that I'm going to turn them together very well. I'm going to turn them together very well, just as you are seeing it. You have to be careful. Then after I must have turned it, I want to use the butter. Yeah, I want to use the butter as well to turn the rice again. Then after I must have used the butter to turn the rice, then the rice is ready for eat. Now look at it. This is how it looks. This is so yummy. This is so yummy. You have to try this step by step. It's very easy, it's not hard. This is it. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. God bless you.